that was, man, I haven't laughed that hard for so long. I absolutely was dead. I was dying so hard, and they cut back to me, and I still had my camera on, and
Order
I
submitted.
had a hard time just getting it together. Like that's the I enjoy that. That was just funny. I know some like of course there's gonna be people online that I don't like this. I'm leaving. This is done. Blah blah. But you trade every single day. You get bored of the markets. That is so refreshing to have that type of fun. Is you can't get that anywhere else. Yeah, you missed the cookie story. Yeah, I don't know how that was. I almost bought some too. It made me hungry. I was, I didn't have breakfast, and that was just. I didn't know what was going on for a second, and I was like, "What the hell is this?" And it was fun. It was absolutely fun. Yeah, Hayes Records. You can get bored of anything. Who bought? Who bought those? I was gonna reach out to find out who bought any of those Girl Scout cookies today on Fast Markets. Do you still get any nerves or butterflies before your first trade of the day? Mo, I do not. Someone bought some. Yeah, that's awesome. I
Order
I do not
submitted.
get any nerves before my first trade of the day. It's gotten so repetitive to me, to where emotionally I'm not connected to a winning day or a losing day. It's just numbers on the screen and trying to follow a process. Lots of wicks on the 5 minute. I mean, we're seeing kind of a shoulder head shoulder pattern on this smaller time frame, right? Shoulder head shoulder, and we're just breaking that neckline right now. Shoulder head shoulder, starting to break the neckline. I was too slow at drawing that out. The thing about winning trades is you just never have enough on. Process of the cookies. Yeah, I cannot have sugar right now. I cannot have sugar while I'm cutting weight down to what I'm going to be boxing at. You're emotionally dead inside, Richard. There it is. Yeah, sometimes it feels like that, huh? Do more? I do box. Yeah, so as much as I really want cookies, yeah, they were serious. I mean, those are for selling. It was tempting, very tempting. I absolutely love the Thin Mints. It's bad, but I can't. I cannot. I'm. It's hard to get down to 8% body fat, and it's hard to get down to that target weight after you turn 30 years old.
Order submitted.
I'm orthodox.
Order submitted.
I never see your face mask. I guess you're good at it. I mean, you're gonna start seeing my face if I come to Tough Step TV with a black eye or a bruised face. You'll know why. It's been a while. It's been a year. It's been a year since well, maybe a little bit less than a year. But getting back into it, you're gonna see my face messed up a little bit. Took those shorts, long versatile. I would not do MMA competitively. No. Or short Bitcoin. I say long staircase up, stair step up. Maybe, maybe. I'm looking for this market to continue back down towards these lower 500s. Does it still show anything? I'm not sure. I don't pay attention to the tilt very often. Dakota, say you won 30 days in a row, better to take half the money out or go for a full port payout. Johnny, if you won 30 days in a row and you haven't taken a payout already, you should probably take a payout. Don't go for a full port or a full payout. Or if you want, it depends on you, Johnny. So, not full port. So, if you, just so everybody in here, we're on the same page. Um, if you have 30 winning days, and they don't have to be in a row, let's just make sure that's true. It does not have to be in a row. You can have 30 winning days. They do not have to be in a row. And then once you have those, you can withdraw your balance, your entire balance, right? I would not, me personally, I would not withdraw my entire balance. I like to withdraw a percentage of it, keep some of it, and you can trade it. But you know, some traders, their goal is to withdraw the money, and you can open up your personal account, and then you can trade your personal account, and that's there's a lot more benefits to trading your personal account, right? But yeah, definitely take a payout if you haven't already. What's super aggro? I don't know what that means. How do I get a practice account on TopStep X? You just go onto the trader dashboard. You just log into the dashboard, and there should be an option to do.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I would not risk 100K in the day. No, I would not say that aggressive. You guys see my most aggressive trading. I trade, to me, the way I'm trading right now in my live every day, that's aggressive. The way you guys see me trading right now in my live account, or ever since you guys see me on Top Step TV, this is aggressive to me.
Order
Not
submitted.
this is not aggressive, but the way you guys see me in my Top Step live account, that is aggressive. That is definitely aggressive. Risking 1.5% a day.
Order submitted.
Aggressive. Um, Obviously, if I lose for a little bit, then it's like 1.6, maybe 1.7. If I win a little bit, then it's like 1.4, 1.3. But $5,000 stop loss is very aggressive. Yes. So I would say it's aggressive. What 1.5% is aggressive. I do not look at the Dom 5K summary. Would you mind looking at the 2-minute chart, gold chart? I'll look at gold in a moment. Dakota would rather go live in Peru rather than trade 100K. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. I would be okay with living in Peru because I'd be spending a fraction of what I spend on my cost of living. Any recommendations for journaling? David, not sure what you mean by that, but there's performance stats here, and you can journal here, right? You can journal in the statistics, right? You can come in here and you can add your journal. Would you recommend your DL? Wait, what would you recommend your DLL be on a 150K account? I would say on a $150,000 account, my DLL would be $400. $400, $500, $300, just right around there. Nothing more than $500 a day. Definitely not.
Order submitted.
So it's so far the best sim I've traded on. Nice. Yeah, I haven't had too many issues on Top Step X. Top Step X is not even a year old, everybody. Top Step X is only what, 10 months old, 9 months old? It's not that. It's not that old. Yeah, Richard Harris. You remember I showed everybody what my monthly bills are. I live below my means. My bills are a lot less.
Order submitted.
Richard. It, less than $3,000 a month. I pay less than $3,000 for my cost of living monthly. That includes rent, cars, gas, food, everything. Less than 3,000. Everything else goes towards investments. I don't think I will. I don't spend
Order
money on
submitted.
crazy stuff that you guys see on social media. I couldn't. Even if I had $1 million to just blow, I would not buy a fancy car or anything like that. I would put that money into probably just a CD, a high yield savings account, or a CD, or probably a few dividend stocks, and then continue to live the way I do. I don't think I'll ever be in a Lambo Douglas. I will never own a Lamborghini. I'm pretty. I will be confident in that one. There's no. I have never seen a decent benefit to own a Lamborghini. You know what? Yeah, there you go. I might put some premium gas in my Honda Civic. That would be that might be where I would be a little crazy there. But premium? No, I want to do. I'll do the mid grade. I'd do mid grade in my Honda Civic. Yeah, I know I'm training to practice. Too much craziness for tonight. You can see there's the order book is very, very thin, and we had Trump news talking about tariffs, and so it's no trading for me tonight, but playing around in a practice account for fun.
Order submitted.
It's a Honda Civic, not Honda Accord. It's a Honda Civic. I paid $15K for it 2 years ago. 3 years ago, I paid $15,000 for it. 3 years ago. I don't have car payments. Wish I knew before I was $200 from blowing a third 100 miles. It has 120,000 miles. It has 120,000 miles on it. Yep. I bought it used. I did. I think I even showed a picture on Top Step on it. I drive it around. I've actually met somebody near where I live. I met somebody in chat, and they seen me in my Honda Civic. I don't know what happened to them. I can't remember their name either. I should make it a sleeper. Okay, let's get to some more of these questions about the
Order
markets.
submitted.
The market's kind of just died down ever since we started. Nothing's really going on. Let me go through these markets one more time, and then we'll get to a few more questions. We are 30 minutes left, but yeah, let's get through this. Nikkei, let me jump out to the 5 minute chart again. I mean, Nikkei is recovering pretty nicely from that. Maybe this is actually. Let's just go ahead. I'm going to just get into a couple shorts here on the Nikkei as well. And yeah, let's see. We had that nice sell-off from the news, right? And we are having a decent pullback. If I had to guess the difference between the high and the low,
submitted.
we're right about 50%. I'm pretty sure we draw a fib and say that's 50%. Let's take a look. I mean, that's close enough. It's just above 50, between 50 and 61.8. So Nikkei looking for continuation back down. I'm looking for this market to sell off as well. Shows there. I'm actually going to switch this to, let's go from $0.6, so we keep track on that one. And get out of that. I want to get to 3 right here in the Nikkei. And let's move along. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, it's gold. Nice rally. Let me take a look at the higher time frame on gold. And let's take a look at daily. I was going to see. Let's take a look at daily. Gold's looking really bullish, everybody. This is looking really bullish here on gold, where I mean, we came up and we tested these highs. We tested these highs, and we got that pullback. And so now it's kind of like a